Today I'm going to help you change the battery in your LiftMaster Universal Keypad, model L979U. This is an easy fix, and the good news is you don't need to unmount the keypad from the wall to do it. Start by locating the battery plate on the keypad and sliding it downward to open it. Once it's open, you'll immediately see a 9-volt battery inside the compartment. Carefully remove the battery, then disconnect the snap-on connectors without pulling or straining the wires. Next, grab a replacement 9-volt battery. Match the connectors on the battery with the snap connectors and flip the battery if needed until they line up properly. The connectors should snap on easily without forcing them. Once connected, place the battery back into the compartment, making sure the wires are tucked in neatly and not sticking out where they could get pinched by the battery plate. Slide the battery plate closed, then test the keypad to make sure it's working. That's it. Your LiftMaster L979U wireless keypad is ready to be used again. Bonus tutorial. I'll quickly show you how to remove the keypad from the wall if it's already mounted. To do this, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Start by opening the battery compartment, and underneath the battery, you'll find a Phillips screw. Unscrew and remove that screw completely. Once that screw is out, there's one more hidden mounting screw that the keypad is hanging on. All you need to do now is slide the entire keypad upward, and it will unhook and release from the wall. That's it. Easy fix. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more garage door tips and tutorials.